From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Hurricane Helene made landfall last night at 11:10 near the Big Bend region of Florida. Winds of 140 miles per hour with some stronger gusts. Here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center. This is the 11 a.m. advisory. It is now a tropical storm, has winds of 45 miles per hour, gust up to 70. It's moving towards the north pretty quickly at 32 miles per hour, so it has gained a little bit more forward momentum. Here's the forecast for the next couple of days. It's just going to kind of meander around here, around parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, maybe up towards Indiana, but we're also watching a couple more areas in the tropics. We do have Isaac here, Hurricane Isaac, and newly formed Tropical Storm Joyce down there. We'll zoom in a little bit closer. Both of these, no impact towards the continental United States, but something to at least talk about. There's Hurricane Isaac. We also have another area, small chance for this to develop as it moves generally towards the north and west and a little bit closer to, we'll say closer to the mainland of the United States. This area here, kind of elongated area of low pressure. National Hurricane Center gives that about a 30% chance of development as it does move towards the Yucatan Peninsula. We had some very strong winds, damage across the Midlands and South Carolina today, with Augusta reporting a wind gust of 82 miles per hour. Aiken, 72, the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, even reported a gust of 67. We still do have the tropical storm warning in effect for the Midlands because we still do expect at least the possibility for some strong winds as that system kind of moves on out. But as we get into the later afternoon hours, those winds should start to relax just a little bit. You'll notice wind speed forecast here. This will be tonight at 7 o'clock, generally out of the southwest, at about 5 to 10 to maybe up to 15 miles per hour, and those winds will continue to relax during the overnight hours. We'll pick things up this afternoon. A little bit of sunshine will be possible. Let me go back to that. A little bit of sunshine is going to be possible as the weather will be pretty quiet over the next few days. As we do look ahead towards your Saturday, we're starting off mostly clear, but as we go into Saturday night, a few more clouds can't be ruled out. Maybe a little bit of rainfall in the upstate of South Carolina. May even squeeze out a stray shower for the coastal region of South Carolina. And we'll make at least a mention of a stray shower across the Midlands. Once again, the activity tomorrow would be very isolated at this point. 76, that's where we were yesterday. Probably a little bit warmer today. And we did pick up 3 81/100ths of an inch of rainfall yesterday at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. So highs today close to, we'll say, near 80 to the mid 80s. Just really depends on how much sunshine we end up getting later today. Now, if you are heading to Clemson for the Stanford football game, kickoff at 7 o'clock, mentioned this earlier, there is going to be at least a small chance of rain, so I'd be prepared for rain. Otherwise, just mostly cloudy skies in the upstate. Low to mid 80s today, mid 80s tomorrow and Sunday. So the weekend looking pretty good. Next week, temperatures in the mid 80s, it looks like Monday and Tuesday. High risk for rip currents today, and that may be the case even as we go into the weekend. Beach forecast, speaking of which, low to mid 80s both Saturday and Sunday. Charleston, breezy conditions today, partly cloudy skies, mid to maybe even upper 80s on Sunday, and in the upstate, small chance for rain on Sunday with mostly cloudy conditions. Upstate temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. 8 to 14 days out, this is our precipitation forecast. Will dry out a little bit. Looks like near normal rainfall chances for the majority of South Carolina. And our temperature forecast during that same time frame, October 4th through October 10th, near normal temperatures for most of South Carolina as well. Enjoy your Friday and have a great weekend.